Hey fellow woodcutters, Topsaw here, building a cottage. Sheetrock just got finished today. I'm going to do a short video on why it's so important to video document. So before all this sheetrock went in, I walked through the whole house and counted every outlet, every can light, every sprinkler, and I did it kind of methodically through a video. I didn't actually post that video, I just kept it for myself because it was so boring. Okay, walking in before the sheetrock into the garage. Electrical panel, outlet 1, double outlet, 3, water heater, 4, 5. And then I re-walked it after all the sheetrock was in, and I'll show you over here what I discovered. And this is kind of why it's so important. Walking into the master right here, and I counted it off. So I walk in the door, there's the outlet. Outlet number 1, outlet number 2, no outlet number 3, outlet number 4. I'll play that video of the walkthrough and you'll see. I walked through pretty quickly, but I'll show you where it was and why it's not there. Entering on the left, switches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's an outlet missing right there. You can see I wrote on there missing outlets, so we remember to go back and catch it before we tape and texture. Then the other thing I noticed too, also in the master bedroom, is here the 2 wall outlets. I'm up on the ceiling. It goes can light, fire sprinkler, can light. And then on the other side, this is the west side. So I'll play that little bit of video of me walking through with the insulation. Ceiling on the west side, can light, sprinkler, can light. On this side, can light, sprinkler, can light. Ductwork over there, ceiling fan. And then here's the east side, can light, not there, sprinkler, can light. So those aren't there. So those will have to get cut in. It is actually, it's going to mirror across the roof right there. So I probably would have caught those even without my video documentation. I certainly would have missed that one down there. Coco found it. But I might have found that distance on that wall too much and recognized that as a missing outlet. Let me show you one last spot. Over here, here's the shower area, the shower valve. There are the bathroom light switches, and then there's an outlet right there that also got missed. There's a toilet down there. So that outlet also got missed, and I'll see if I could clip in that bit of video. Walking down to the bath. So turning into the bath, light box, vanity, into the shower, toilet, outlet switches. They did a beautiful job on the sheetrock. Just missed a couple of spots. So come out and knock those out pretty quick. But certainly want to get those done before you start taping and texturing. And if you're new to this channel, think about subscribing. This channel is Topsaw, all things wood, from tree work to woodwork. I teach high school wood shop, and I'm building this cottage right now. I've been documenting this process, mostly for my students at school, but I think some of you might also be interested in it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this project. There's also another little bit of advice besides photo documentation. Don't eat sheetrock, it'll make you sick. Coco. Yeah, don't eat the sheetrock.